Happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from October the 21st through the 27th. And what I'm going to be doing today is a Vincent Price movie, again, because we're in October, and it's The Bat. I think it was he made it, I think, in 1957, but Agnes Moorehead stars in it with him. And I made my own stickers I just Googled images, and then I printed them out with my Cricut, but you can print them out just on your printer if you want. And I've decided that I want to use this paper. I got it separately at Hobby Lobby. They were 4 for $1. And to me, this just gives the feel of the bat. It is a black and white, so I picked this. And then this just reminds me of things, fall, kind of like Halloween. I think it went nicely together. And then I found this washi. I think I got this at Michael's quite a while ago that just has bats on it. And then I'm just going to be using Paper Mate marker, okay? So let's take my pages out of my planner. I'm glad everybody enjoyed my Clean With Me theme that I did last week. Okay, I have decided that I want this to be the dominant paper of the spread. And this is a really good movie. In one section it seems a little corny, and then after that it gets very good. And I really like this paper. It sort of reminded me, like I said, of fall and October, but also it reminds me of all the confusion, like who really, it's a really good movie. I don't want to give it all away, but it's about this big old house and weird things happen in it, and there's this murderer called the Bat that's going around killing people, and then they're also looking for $1 million that's hidden in that house. Okay, let's put our paper down where we want it. But Agnes Moorehead plays this mystery writer, and she's coming for the summer, and she's rented this old house. And there's all kinds of weird things that have happened in the past there, and everybody's afraid of it. And they tell her, let's start putting our paper down, that the bat may be coming there and going to kill people there. And then they start finding out that there was some money stolen from the bank, and they think that it was hidden in this house, and that murderer is coming there to try to find it. And it's all about everything that happens inside that house. But I don't want to ruin it for you, but it is really good. And there are these rabid bats that are going around biting people. So it's very interesting. And I've gotten quite a few new subscribers, and I have people that ask me, why do my planner like this? And I have the Big Happy Planner, and it contains a monthly section and then a weekly. And this is my weekly, and on my weekly section, I use it as a creative outlet, basically, and more like a scrapbook. I just enjoy doing this. And then I keep myself on track on the monthly part. Okay, I really do like how that turned out, okay? So let's go ahead and put our washi down. And I think I got this washi at Michael's, like I said, quite a while ago. It definitely has the bat feeling. I think it's a little more whimsical than the movie, though. But it's really cute. And I think I'll just split the difference on this. Sometimes I put a double layer down through here, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm just going to leave it like this. And then I will, though, go down through here because I definitely think it finishes the spread to go down through there. But I love classic movies. And I've collected them for years and years and years. I think that's really cute. And this washi seems to be tearing really nicely. Really nicely. But if you've been around with me for a while, you'll know I love Dollar Tree washi. So I'm just going to basically cover up a little bit through the center of that candy corn. And I don't care if some of it peeks out. Okay, I think that looks really nice. So let me go ahead and start putting down my stickers. Now, right here, the bat is trying to get in, and what he does is he has these gloves with these really sharp claws on them, and what he does is he hits somebody in the throat, and then he cuts their jugulars. I mean, it's pretty scary what he does, okay? And they think that he's really insane and just killing people, but he's also after something. Okay, and then here he is in the house with Agnes Moorehead and her secretary that's with her. At that time, there's only the two of them in there, and he's tried to get in through the front door here, and he's in the house. They've called the police, and they're in Agnes's bedroom for safety, and they were going to go outside, and they see him, and they slam the door. And then Agnes Moorehead gets a gun, okay? And then here is Vincent Price. He plays a doctor. And then this is a detective. And it's really funny how they do this because you're not really sure, I'm going to put this right here, who the killer is. Because there's like 3 different men and none of them are usually around during the times of the killing. And I'm not going to tell you who it is, okay? And then right here, they're looking for the plans to the house because they think that the bat is probably trying to find that $1 million that they think is hidden in there. And they're looking in secret passages in different fireplaces. And that's what the women are doing right there. I'm going to put this one right here. And then right here, they found somebody dead. And the women just can't look. It's just too much for them. Put that one right there. And then the bat is in the house and he's cut the phone wires so they can't call for help. I'm going to put that right there. And then here there's been another murder in the house. And then this is a pretty good view of what he looks like. They say he doesn't have a face and he has those claws. So I'm not going to tell you who it is or what all happens. I don't want to ruin it for you, but it is a good movie. So let me just write down a few things in my planner. Okay, let's go ahead and put my pages back inside my planner and we'll take a look at this, but I think it's really cute. But I got my DVD a year or two ago at Walmart, and it just has a bunch, I think like 4 or 5 of Vincent Price's scarier movies, but these aren't too scary. Okay, well, let's see. I love how that turned out. It really is cute. This planner, though, is getting so full. I need to get another one for next year. And at the end of the year, I will do a flip through. But I love how this paper turned out. I like how the checks play against these circles. I think it gives a real good feel for the, oh my, what's going on? Who's going to die next? What's the bat doing? And I love my washi with the bat on it, and I really do like my stickers. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.